So take the collar, attach the spring, attach the plate, slot the collar onto the valve. Before slotting the plate over the splines, hold that and the spring, add a quarter turn of tension anti-clockwise, and then slot over the splines. You can then push that down, add the plastic shroud with the slots lined up bottom to top so that the cutout is at the 12 o'clock position. You can then slide the handle on in place with the button again at the 12 o'clock position. Once that's on, you can do the spring screw up that secures the handle.